For the muzzle, we're going to be using our white yarn and the 4.5mm hook, and we're going to start by doing a slip knot and then chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For round 1, we're going to start in the second chain from the hook and do 1 single crochet. And we're going to follow that with 5 single crochet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In this last stitch here, we're going to do 3 single crochet into that one stitch. There's 1, 2, and 3. We're going to follow that along the other side of our chain with 5 more single crochet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll finish our round with 2 single crochet in that very last stitch. There's 1 and 2. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 16 stitches going all the way around. For round 2, we're going to start by doing 1 increase in this first stitch. And then we'll do 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we're going to do an increase in the next 3 stitches. So there's 1 increase, 2, and 3. And now we'll do 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we will finish the round with 2 more increases. So there's 1 and 2. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 22 stitches. For round 3, we're going to start with 1 single crochet in that first stitch. We're going to do an increase in the next stitch. And we're going to do 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we'll do an increase. Followed by 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do another increase. And then 5 single crochet. 3, 4, 5. And then another increase. And then 3 single crochet. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 26 stitches. For round 4, we're going to do a repeating sequence beginning with 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase, and then we're going to do 7 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Follow that with 1 increase, and then we'll do 1 single crochet and then 2 increases. So there's 1 and 2. And now we're going to repeat that sequence again. So we'll start with 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 7 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then we'll do an increase, 1 single crochet, and we'll finish off with 2 more increases. So there's 1 and 2. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 34 stitches. For rounds 5 and 6, we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And once you have completed rounds 5 and 6, you should still have a total of 34 stitches. For round 7, we're going to begin with 2 single crochet, followed by 1 increase, and then 10 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're going to do 1 increase, 2 single crochet, and 1 more increase, and then we're going to repeat that sequence for the remainder of the row. So 2 single crochet, 1 increase, 10 single crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to do 1 increase, 2 single crochet, and finish off with 1 increase. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 40 stitches. Round 8, we're going to begin with 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and then do 12 single crochet. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then we're going to do 1 increase, followed by 3 single crochet, 2 and 3, and then 1 increase. And then we're going to repeat that sequence the rest of the way around. So we'll start with 2 single crochet, 1 increase, then 12 single crochet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Do 1 increase, then 3 single crochet, and then our last stitch will be 1 increase. And at the end of this round, you should have a total of 46 stitches. For round 9, we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. And once you have finished this round, you should still have a total of 46 stitches. Once you've reached the end of round 9, you'll remove your stitch marker and slip stitch into the next 2 stitches and then tie off. Make sure you leave a long enough tail for sewing it onto the head. So leave this nice long tail for sewing, and then you'll weave this tail in. And there is the muzzle. To attach the muzzle to the body, we're going to put some stuffing in here. I'm just going to have to squish it in and kind of hold it in place. And we're going to put this so the seam is going side to side. We're going to line the top of the muzzle up with the bottom of the eyes. And so you want to make sure that you've got your sides evenly spaced. They'll go just about even with the outside border of the eyes. And then we're just going to stitch this on just like we did with the other ones. So you'll take your yarn needle, go under a stitch in the body, pull it through, and then go under a stitch in the muzzle. And you're going to follow that same line up to about even with the bottom of the eyes. So now we're going to go under the next stitch and then through the stitch in the muzzle, and you'll just keep doing that all the way around. Kind of hold it in place while you sew it on. And then before you close this up completely, you can add more stuffing to it to completely fill it out. So just keep going under a stitch in the body and then a stitch in the muzzle. And here I'm coming up to my last stitch. I went ahead and added some more stuffing into here to give it a rounder shape. and then the nose will go right up here at the top of the muzzle. So once you're done, you'll just go ahead and tie off. And then take your yarn needle and tuck that tail into the head and snip it off. And there we have the muzzle. The face is starting to take shape. Next will be the nose.